can go and see in the video, or we will put a screenshot right here if I have the ingredients. So she used around 3 cups of flour, but we are not going to use so much. We are going to be using half cup of flour and according to that.
Okay, let's start it. Okay, first which bowl I need?
Okay, so first you're going to first let's see this tutorial. Version 1, that's a derivative one which I'm going to make. Mine is making version 2. Let's start.
Version 1, you'll need 2 bowls, 1 medium, 1 large. Put the dry ingredients in the medium bowl. That's the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and mix them together.
For my recipe, you only need 1 bowl. Add 3 cups cake flour, the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and the ½ teaspoon of salt.
The dry ingredients for the version 1 are the flour. We have sieved the flour already. Then she added some baking powder, which we're going to add, we need to add ½ teaspoon. So I'm going to add and then she added the salt, but I mixed the salt with the milk. So when we add, we'll add the milk according to that.
We need to add the flour. And you know we have done. Now we need to put baking powder.
Same, ½ teaspoon. Now we'll see what we're going to do next.
In my larger bowl, I'm going to blend 2 sticks of butter with this sugar. Use softened butter at room temperature and cut into pieces. Using the back of a big spoon, smooth out the butter and slowly mix in the sugar. Blend until light and fluffy.
Now in my 1 bowl, I add in the sugar and the butter, which has been softened and cubed, and I mix them up.
Now, the step number 2 is to take my bowl. So in that she added the butter first and then the sugar. I have my butter already. Then I have the measuring cup and I'm going to add the sugar with the help of a spoon. So there we have the sugar and that goes right in the sugar. And so same for Manya.
I need to put full cup.
First, I will add the sugar, then I'm going to put some butter into it.
My case is I need to put sugar, then butter. Okay. So now I need to put the sugar.
So now we're going to put the butter on top, which is not here, Manya. Where did you keep the butter?
Okay,
So you just go and just she told to spread the butter when it's like that. It's a living cupcake. It's like this. I can just spread it all around. It's just like that.
Did you put in this sugar?
So now you have to mix it up. It's Manya's is a 1 bowl recipe and mine is a 2 bowl recipe.
But I need 1 more bowl.
So you might be thinking the ingredients and everything is the same. So she told just the way you mix it just makes the cupcakes a bit different. So, no.
What's not enough?
Oh, you just need to yeah. So now let's move on to the 3rd step.
Add the 4 eggs to the large bowl, 1 at a time. Make sure they are also room temperature. Cold eggs don't whip as well.
I'm also adding 4 eggs, 1 at a time.
Then I combine my 2 bowls and mix the flour mixture from the medium bowl into the larger bowl, and I slowly mix in 1 cup of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Now I'm adding the same milk and the same vanilla to my 1 bowl.
Mix well, at least a minute, and fill your cupcake tins.
Okay, now bake it for 15 to 18 minutes.
The 3rd and the last step is to add the eggs to the larger bowl right now. So we have like cutting it out, chop it out. So 1 egg each. I think I'm going to break for her because I don't know. If you bring this egg, I have no idea because it says it's Barbie's tutorial, so she might know. Yeah, and sometimes we need added cooking eggs and sometimes vinegar. Let me give for you.
Whoa. Everyone is good, but
Yo.
whoa. Looking great.
So now for my step, I have to combine both the ingredients, so the wet as well as the dry. So I'm gonna
Wow.
put the wet ingredients in the dry. Maybe we'll put the dry ingredients in the wet, but I'll just put it this way.
One eternity later.
Should be good. Ah. Wow, guys.
Hopefully we don't make a mess like the last time we did with the banana bread.
Look this guy.
And the last time I didn't show because that clip just got deleted, but the clip I had posted it in the other video, which was my first year of homeschool.
Look this.
This time
Guys,
we're gonna
look
show
this. It's so good and thick.
So mine looks like lump for now.
We need to mix.
Yeah. So the next step is to add
Milk.
milk.
And my also.
Yo.
Yo. It's my son.
Oops. And some vanilla essence.
First time, can I put?
Yo. Yo.
Okay, let's put.
Oh, I don't know how much vanilla essence. Skin for Manya, we need to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence.
Okay, I'll put. Enough.
Oh wait, I just had a bit too much sugar. And same for me. Last thing is just to mix and mix.
Perfect.
Ew.
What?
Now my batter is lumpy, so I'm just gonna keep on mixing it so all those lumps just go together, but not over mix it.
Alright, it's looking like it is a banana cake.
You. Both the batters actually look the same.
Wait, why are you
That's-
telling yo?
So my batter looks a bit different, definitely. It looks really different. You know, in camera it looks the same, but in reality it doesn't. Mine is velvety texture, hers is a springier.
Springier is looking weird.
We're just gonna give it another mix, but not Manya enough. I think you're gonna overmix it. Both the batters are done, and now we have here our cupcake tray,
But
which
grease
we're
our
gonna
hands?
grease it.
Wait.
So I'll just go and grease the cupcake.
Now my sister just greased with oil.
Yeah, the tin is now greased.
Okay, 3 is for me, 2 is for my sister. So
Yeah,
this is
but
me.
we're gonna put it in a different way so you can recognize who's it, because ours is not different in color or anything. So I can you put your batter in these 2 cupcakes first.
This is so boring.
So yeah, 3 cupcakes are perfect for both the batters. Okay, so the cupcakes, we have put them in the bowl now. They go in the oven, which was preheated at 350 degrees as Barbie told. Let's go. And I need to wash my hands first. So guys, our cupcakes
are ready.
And this is how they look. Now let's give it a closer look. So these ones were Manya's and these are mine, and they look pretty much the same, but these are the springy ones and these are the velvety ones. So I'm going to cut them and see.
No, I wanna. Hey, I'm gonna eat it.
We have some more for Manya.
Mmm.
It's good.
Master taste.
So this is how mine looks and this is how Manya looks. So we will taste it. So
I'll taste it.
they're mine.
This is yours?
How does it? Does it have any difference? Yes.
Okay, I'm going.
They have a little bit different. But overall the tutorial was very good. It's so soft. You can see that. So everyone, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this. So like, share, subscribe to the channel, and bye.